Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to use Notion for documentation. First, open Notion and create a new page. You can select a pre-built template or begin with an empty page. Notion's flexible structure allows you to easily add various content blocks. This initial setup is crucial for building a robust and organized documentation system that suits your specific requirements. Effective documentation relies on clear structure. Utilize headings to break down complex topics into manageable sections. Toggle lists are excellent for presenting detailed information without cluttering the main view, allowing users to expand only what they need. Remember to link related pages together, creating an interconnected web of information that is easy to navigate and understand. Notion's block system allows for rich and interactive documentation. You can embed images, videos, and even entire files to provide visual context or supplementary materials. Code blocks ensure that programming examples are formatted correctly and are easy to read. Databases are powerful for managing structured data, like a list of frequently asked questions or project specifications. Sharing your documentation is straightforward in Notion. You can publish pages to the web for public access or invite specific team members to collaborate privately. Granular permissions allow you to control who can view, comment, or edit your content. Real-time collaboration features, including comments and mentions, make it easy for teams to work together efficiently on documentation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.